pa anagobe na chese wama de ache so enti wa wutie me no maybe say formation be na wo bo na wo coach no eye hwan coach in this aspect no eye duane a wo die no eto de bia na ya rehosam o eto de bia na ya rehosam enra eye court batan a wo eye gran ha anya Supreme Court o bika batan dia na chese wani akwa di Supreme Court we eye batan kuma High Court eye ade a enra no ebi mu ani giye ebi mu so ani anye eye die ntra eye chairman wuntumi a woda eye MPP amanyokura no e Ashanti region wasaso yo bia wo ye minor enra yante asemode asema e ba na say wabra wo mede nko kira mra nim no say wori ne concession a enu de owo tumi say oto afum agudie wo so e wo samara boy e de command banu nkrofo mienu bi no san nkrofo mienu no omu di ne hwambo omu ka asase na eye wuntumi dia ma omu no eye de a wo mu kwakọ siesie asase no de be ka no brofo kasam reclamation but at the end of the day no anko ba na saa na wo mu tu efom agudie e wa kwan bone so we na noa eye my lord a oti dwom ehun say de ekọ so no eye boapaye na wuntumi nim pa say asase na wode ma san krofo mienu no eyade a na omutu efum agudie wo so wabra enam emra kwan so ne sentiro court no aboa eye chairman wuntumi fo ema sentence no to eye 20 years in prison minimum ka say chairman wuntumi e won sawamo a was start several a year ne sentence. That is not all the sentence. In addition to a year 20 years, no, you say on a year 120,000 Ghana cedis. And also you're fine on the man, no. So how do you got it is a year 1.2 billion. You say on to a size cano and count. Now, some way better Jano. A one general secretary, ma MPP, Amanyukono, a so there, no, as some way, dear, a political persecution. Wound to me, chair, yachin no. And yes, I want to me, Eddie Bonnie be. Now, dear woman, and I say, and I'm a man your 70, and a chairman wound to me, yet no aquacotum. Muma and Koi, Niankoti, a dear, Justin Kodia, a Kaye, the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party.
Me say it out for me, some of boss LP, chairman wound to me, and Janimu. Me catch him, say, Sabi. And that is here, no. LPP, any that team for no. I catch you, say, or mon file appeal. No mon challenge decision now. Judge no, a diaba. Now, me, we no. Me say we are sim, you know, say, me say it, Chema to me. A bank of command that country, no, a yamayo sem. Sebi, and your bonny bin wakwaye. Or your political prisoner. Am I your 70? And then nakoto aban kukum. Eya mayo 70 and then this aban and nakoto aban kukum. Na yakopo otiase no. Ni say e brace mo no kre e ba bededi. Me da munyina amase.
We busafo we here. The General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, Justin Kodia, and Amotene Kano, one also a yamrenim ni. Was say, dear see, you know, and yes, a wound to me, why you bonny bia. Na and na mamanjo 70. And as Abraham and Okase, chairman wound to me, or war in Sawamwa, or 20-year jail term. Now, what's also to just say, MPP among your corner, the legal team, what shall almost say, Sasia, na come boom, no moon toto a drain, no moon fa crata and cordine, the appellate court, the appeals court, said a decision, ombe appellee, ombe challenge, the decision of the High Court. Now, before a year, the General Secretary, Ebabe Kasano, Chairman Bugamuga, one way a third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Woman could say, dear, on also a kai.
So we are telling John Bahama he shouldn't joke to be a president, the first president in the history of Ghana that you end your office and you will be prosecuted. I'm telling you, John Dramani Mahama, when he joked, constitutionally, we the New Patriotic Party, after his term of office, he will be a first president to be prosecuted. Mark my words.
And Jamusia for Chairman Bugabuga and a motel in Kano. What's your mobile family? So say MPP ba abemwa. Aye, man penny or to no. On bepe kwanya or modern befa on so much. And maybe some who say. Now constitutionally no a kwan ben so pa no mobefa. Because I know say man penny bia bedi akonya na. Ya wo mra ebo no ho ban a eche say untimi mfa no nkoto efiase ti ewie chairman bugabuga ebe kansa ewa ha ya na be di nkomo na nkomo a wode tu Ghana fo animu no na wa kirikire mu na ya bomode so eko samara boy eni opanyim pa bi edi nkomo wono so moman ko tie die sa opanyim pa no so e kan ye
me da wase na di kan me chia watifo a ehwe fidi kronkron so nyina oh chema wontumi no so yiri afasa babo ekro nyina na ni nyina ho de ne free na power wo mo wonti cause ehwe ma hu se adwuma na wo ye na nya ne mra kwan so ben so na mama mu na ne panyini so wa ba miti wo se chema wontumi se o ye de o ye o se e de 20 years se afo me cha nto aso do ye ne nkoyi ma ye iti o ye ni pala be se ne ye jere ne de to me de wa haye na so law na taking course nti me ntumi ka se me dana se me de bet chema ntumi de se ja na ka sa do bi aso be ye nti o deserve se je because o man ho so wo sama boy ha emu okoye ko ma nipa ba ko wi chema ntumi ka se nipa ba ko wi etutu bo nipa no o ha bebre nti chema ntumi okono ba bi ma bo se emra wo wi ase anipa ba ko fo ma sama tese adwuma hwede si koyeye numbe folo so nya na wonam ho na wo sei na wo yese ye kaka nam se wa na wo obusi wo do sesi obunti do be ya na wo ye nti amasi asama boy do ya bread ye no so ebre no so kobre bi nti
me da say enti no say dan komo no so etie every samurai boy opinion no wakana nsam megidi pese nsam na okai no ayade a wate. I've told you, if you're celebrating your birthday today, over to my voice notes, not with your far, 0249 77 7779. If I was only mobile, who did not want there now, per se, wishing a happy birthday. Over to me, send a voice note. Voice note, no, Yababuama. What if I WhatsApp 0249 77 77 79 so a yabaje break na yabo ama so oni mo bi so ade atonani ade atonani no enkoyi a eno so the voice note e de ebreyen wo 0249 77 77 79 no yabaje break na yakenkan anase yabo e de ama o se message no abetro de aba yabesi nkonwa na chese eno so ye de ato etiefu anim na enedue how 1 year yeni wona be din komo Dr. Palgrave watch dankwa eye kasamafo ema chairman wontumi nyame adom na ode cheyen a enahwei oba be kansa wa ha yene no be din komo saso na yebeto nsa frɛ eye Poliando so odi wani kire eye Ashanti Regional Director of Communications for the New Patriotic Party ono so yene no be din komo minima de kude dia me bo Poliando dia asafo eni age ewo video mu hasa na yemam penyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na no ada AU etenase na woni etenase no ensembem na ode tu AU enim efa South Africa. In fact, the in South Africa for edi ebibimamu ha efo bi di fast so kan Ghana for the fast so no na enye we ema yemam penyin ekokasaye wabra eyufo Asia. The moment koi ni nkotie di abampenyin e de tu wiase nyina enimu.
About the recent incidents of xenophobic attacks against our citizens in South Africa. during which some Africans, including Ghanaians and Nigerian citizens, have lost their lives, while many other African nationals have experienced fear, intimidation, and uncertainty. Ghana welcomes the decision of the Authority of Heads of State of ECOWAS to fully endorse and support Ghana's petition at the African Union for the matter to be addressed at the next AU mid-year summit. African liberation was achieved through solidarity across our borders. We must never permit that proud legacy to be weakened by intolerance by a small group of people. About the recent incidents of xenophobic attacks against our citizens in South Africa. During which some Africans, including Ghanaians and Nigerian citizens, have lost their lives, while many other African nationals have experienced fear, intimidation, and uncertainty. Ghana welcomes the decision of the Authority of Heads of State of ECOWAS to fully endorse and support Ghana's petition at the African Union for the matter to be addressed at the next AU mid-year summit in South Africa. During which some Africans, including Ghanaians and Nigerian citizens, have lost their lives, while many other African nationals have experienced fear, intimidation, and uncertainty. Ghana welcomes the decision of the Authority of Heads of State of ECOWAS to fully endorse and support Ghana's petition at the African Union for the matter to be addressed at the next AU mid-year summit.
All right, into the Busia for SOMPA 106.5 FM. So, Nedi, a man paying a canono. And Yabako Amano says, na Yeni Paul Yando Akasa, or ye Director of Communications for the MPP, Ewa Shanti region. Mini Paul Yando, Yama Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM. Accra, and Pacho, what to say?
Oh,
Sabi Biabo. Yeah, who ye pa Paul. Na yenyarin tia se ano. Ayade Director of Communications no sa di bre no e wa Ashanti region na unko bio. Na di bre ban na se upe e wo eye Ashanti region wo MPP mu.
Yo, mini ameda pa na wa woni ka NPP for ye say party no
SOMPA FM
2022 na ne mapani to say pa ye nyina ni se NPP kwa na sekim de Ghana no ye start you ya ye share ewo ye flag bearer ye control ya Dr. Mahmoud Zomia say Frankatufo a media for mu ambo ya basika ye papa if you want your police station, the bilateral area, the bar constituency, and you do region. And he has a check. See, true hono na what's the position the level hono. Your favorite bina your cohesion. Now, when it's 2024, you lose a banner. Obia carrying who baby with me, Ashena, watching me, Ayajuma. Especially with my experience in communication. In your Kenya name for Fobi, in common. It put me at the level you see there. The maybe handle secretaryship now. About what my proper coordination is here within the executives now. Almost various constituencies, no more share Etimi ata ye wonyina na etimi coordinate wo mu yie na o hwese obia no ye n'adwuma etimi ye ta de ne ye target ma wo mo a media ebe pajama jeze vote we benya no 2028 no media nya asem kitwa etino communications no de ye de ama ye nuanu menu bi o ma yi o mo anim Dr. Isaac Chebubi na Dr. Keskinofuku Tomuna Eko, but you see, I mean, you can say, ya file I yeah, the Koya ballot in crown with that number 2.
Wow.
I just a campaign, no, I shall see a yeah, can't at your delegates. Now, my research we class said, the capacity needs what actually the base, Ghana hanging for Yando. And no more visibility to party near a region where you know, our sentiment and so on.
Wow.
It is sad there no abuami farmer who do nipa anymore. Just what you would do unimu data. It would be the water man and Katakaka. Wow. You see, but the almost say our door, our Makano to us. You see, but the almost say our door, our Muichemi, Abraham, Michelle, Miaquano, Adimitum. You may have the pen and the mama. Never said, Diabetua Bano. Ubia nyam funso bia na ebe to ama number 2
okay
for Yando.
Yo na mo ya dodo sen
Ya mi ansa
na mi ansa yi emunya de ma emunya hye ma wo de
ya ba to ni eko na yemu bia to ba ku kra ni wa ti akunya no so dada ti akunya ni ye bekan na ye nyina no ye ba akofre nti media friend na miguso amekre edu wa ombo modina omonhwe bra ni pabre eni anamo aye two communications no dem first adwumaje we enhye yeta dem fa mesom ye party for eni a nyina ati epen
communication a free ho there young journalist there enye the crowd because Paul there free Paul anytime bia Paul ne kasa Paul nyo bia wo kire de ho na Paul so de nimdie no Paul no crowd ankasa ye na Paul na ye hwe eye mumiensa na amokọ na wankasa no wasum party no e wo debremu dada na
my police station chairman for 12 years.
Wow.
Ewo Asukwa constituency. And Sanaba constituency level so my constituency financial secretary for 4 years. And Sanaba regional communications member. It is Imua na Midibedi communications director. It is our Kenya regional no ya famu at the SOMPA 2023. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, all better flag bearership, no. The whole Ashanti region, then another agent.
Wow.
It's agent for 47 constituencies in Munina. 2026, yeah, all better flag bearer, no. Then another agent. This time around the 2 never come home. Dr. Fuku, and never come home, and Kofi Boahi never come home. It is. My son party no was a Kenya. The fee said, I'm not my brain. Can you find Kata? My brain flag bearer Nankata.
Wow.
I said, me did the pass, and the more you do, oh, my, we know what moving. I will brand our agent.
Wow.
The cat will be an agent here. And just a Gideon Kata will. Okay, I say, we see we have been here, name or reading more. I can't see video. We have been here, name more. That's a Gideon Kata. I must say the panel. It's a minute of Mahmoud Baumia there. They didn't come out there, minimum say. And at least I didn't know what's your president. No, for Yando will be part of it.
Wow.
Because I've been his agent within the region.
Now, Paulie, be share a ballot, no, so I brand here back also. Or no, me pesa me boni ding. We did DC for 8 years. One how?
Oh, now that DC for elections,
hey.
What's that? DC, you have checked the certificate of DC for.
Okay.
Oh, the Omuko elections to be a movement. That's why a party or a mini after and it is a Babia, me can't say, be alone when you are not the visa now, every day. But Obian in statistics, war elections, you must work for elections. Anybody what could DC be a position there or call for any position there and who I
don't know if it's a danger.
Oh, with DC, you know, the only DC position, one way I would be a catch for next year. Obama and Kofobi now, so what are they? Salute where you free her, where is the Quavo, and say, Danny Pano who position, who corner so, say, wow. Now on to Abamau, Nabaya, Benya, to me. Put ya 2 minutes, so I know that I said, baby, and good and yet, but you get the uncle probably now. So, what I say, I can't suppose so much as and you know, I do I know fault, but a human who you about who you and you will, and your money be FM. So, which will put you at
a disadvantage.
Disadvantage position. Wow.
Now, Polly, elections here will be because Nipa ye who say what turning and Nantepa a chairman to me. And so and cry and noa a to Jawa Ghana hatch say. Chairman wound to me, ye did not trim. Now, election about Sika semi, one ever wow, Paul.
In a SOMPA no ABOTCHIE and no easy. Asema wakano unyapa na enye easy nyame no be kurame. Ati andi sifwa no. Eye me no mo ha me no munim.
Oh sir.
Because me see bofo pa na fruta no. O dia say, untimi ne kurame o. Na dia me ye nyina me kompa, ntimi e call radio so ko banya papa yu ko do ho a. Onim sa wu ye adwumanti na waboa body koyete body koyete sa ene se endo ya mudi papa ya kotum 20 years na yesu kura ba ya to be di sen ana mudi mu 20 years ama wuntumi e de benko to kum ni program ke be ni sei o ja se ntimi ye ahuma pro na me de stress omo muame bam ka to mu ka SOMPA dia mi sibofo na twiri mu no ntino ida me sra wo ma se mu nya mi sikatam kura na mo mu hwa adwuma ani ahofama odra me wo ma party no ba ni de nyina ye da de nyina gai demonstration na mi gram ya kita ni mu ya mi gina ho bibia kudra wo mu na mo hwe na ba SOMPA de nya mu nya mo.
Wow. Hey, ebe ha dream Paul.
Ebe ha dream no de no na waka no. But ni gusu a me sra adofo ni aboafo mrem. E dey say, we won timi na ere ni dan awefo. The king system no fit end me so e boni ben waye. O dey say, the concession onye se wono kura na akotu guarantee no. Yesi obi na akotu. Demo obi na akwa
judge ni nkasa emu a na asama o Canada say the course or no there was some intention say wuntumi e de assassin be ma eye woni e ode ma omo no say wo mo nkotu galamsey na mebisa wo sa asem no eto dwa e wo judgment ni mu no me GDP say what na oteye no na ya no ben pa na wo otirim.
And then the idea is for it to will be agreement a wound ya when Trimun Waka. Tano Mukatre. I guess if one afraid to move with the people's mind. One in a Kata no kind of will to me. Or Madame meeting days. Hey, you. I tell my blue court. And my account wants them say, the beach out for Aqua. Peppers, Ben, say, your Chinese paper. And the man, Danny Palliser on your side. Abra establishing what court was there. Assassino, put me and class as you're correct. Abra would me Nakata, the class out here, you may you're correct. If you're ban saying, I will be on the class and you're correct, you know. Or better, will be the class as a money, so I may have here, Yaponi. They knew who. Because Assassino were up legally. Document back it. And now on one kata to me now the license be correct. It will be a near correct. I had then what dream this time will be on your correct. I'm another year Juma correct land. So yeah, understand here man me. Maybe I tell you what time be with a minimum the throw. Because 20 years now the man on what being one with yet. And I quite have not what you are maybe one in just here.
Na Paul Enra the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party Kasaye na Okasaye no asabo a wo Canada say wuntumi no wadane political prisoner na sasem no etodwa no woni General Secretary ɛyɛ adwen ana.
Oh, in fact, the leadership of our party, Justin Finko Kodia, why are there? I mean, and the B and the upper no marking. I said, my back to party, Libya, Uncle Boy, also most with the enemy, no more to try in the panel. Justin Finko Kodia, Yami, Oceano. Now, some of our can and run. I'm not going to get the pass, won't you be a political prisoner? You got political prisoner. Just a 1 year Bonibio. Them more China, the other party. Or no one by more official when you are buying 2 minutes, you know. Obey me, the here, Nipaso, and the Nipa and the year, the Shenipa, the Yano, and our companies. Now, they are 2 broker, the Go to Congo, the Divian, another cassette. Put your 2 minutes when you move on your mope, the Nika, Nana Wankata.
A brother no cancer, over to me, Kakra. A brother, Sampa,
and tell me, Yajina 2 more, 2 first in I've read the regional minister now, Yafaka, Queen Adam Funo. Bono. What I say? What's all my Helen Colicum after this watch now? What I say? Our 2 for a can want about all captain. Put your 2 minutes when you know. Put your Mufanya, their Mufe. Na 2 minutes over your Dinka. Where is after me?
Mekaipa.
And see, you Pia, Wakanda. It's just if you could be at the more kind, no dear. Yami won't shut the bar, said, well, it's the wood to win your Bonivia, Nemum. 2 minutes, Bimonia. You're freezing the bank account. You're freezing the mobile money. You're freezing the pickup. Just say you want to be an entire in Papua. They can't in an other. Papa.
Now, Paul, now, I say you're Janet entire in Papua, dear. I say, yeah, the entire in Papua.
They won't take Ghana. I see a quantity to entire in Papua. And I want it. Neyire mo cast in your market dinning now. Would you mean that personal cast? Or my dinning now? No, would you mean no court or high car, nor the court? Abba
Polly, I'm check Minu baby. Now, minim sign penny for a one crying her 80. But Ansana would a footoo, and now a chop baby man penny for no. Now, maybe say. Sesia no baby I want to me yede na akwa kotwiri anye bia no wakọ ho ene na kodi nkomo
Dabi on say endo ya anye bi ko tu and then so and na university.
Oh, okay.
I will Ashanti region I think. Now the area na also to say the binado na and you know what the population vetting process. After na we are mega number 2.
Wow.
The gentleman bank, yes, and Tawam over questions to the play. A president, Sam, Yabaya, was to be over. I found my bank, my barbershop.
And penny for Ghana, 80 Casafide in a way. And some bang over catcher a year and penny for no. And a 2 Matessa a year MPP for to be a casse. Adia NDC for a year no. Momoba a year abenuanos, Moba a year power in 2028. Moba yomubi. Edikano, Moba yomubiana.
Minya, the woman said, if I want to have you, maybe I be ready and I'm ready and to be in. Your mind is clear and then you began a year. Ghana economy. Yes, you will be the higher, never move to me outside. Yes, you will be the higher, never move to me outside. If you are here, what can I do? I want to meet you. That's when you get your room at your new home. Then I am here, but dear Bayan, never know. Immediate, there won't go probably to a Ghana. Yabu Bomudi. Yabu Bomudi. Uba Asante Mantemoa. Uko Adujama. MP. Any DC or yes, what to guarantee. I'm a Mukoyan or Himano, I'm more free. Now, if you're the Mufam guarantee, about Mutia, if you have it. Sauko our constituency, MP or a fellow Calabi. And I'm what a giant with the say. One call parliament is that there was a real and work to guarantee two. Yami, our national organizer, Yaponi Tinto will give first vice chairman of ND. A friend of Abanga, Yaponi Tinto will to be. At Antima Jamua, Baby, and to guarantee that, and they are to be. I just said, you couple to Mutia, and then swing more, and you to guarantee, or you to be or what that. Oko Adantia Supa. Agenda 111 hospital na yepie na ndia ya rehwe no saa dan ni mu na guarantee for do omunye na fuwa edan na ti omudi etu guarantee eti niema keje ekoso eti se ya ka won na mu ntumi enya to no akwa na akotu bi o obi a wakotu ntumi aye ni se dia na wa e ko tin so wutu bi no wo be committee be ye ba dia
wa wo hwa mo be condition mo ba be mu na etesa e be sen
I don't know who you because me who are there are many ways to see. There can't be a sentence who want to do that. Me who in fear at the moment. It can say, one some will lose to there. And one more at a beer no monkey. And now I said, well, my first one, one of you of my mono. No much your mind. And the next of them is where I know more to your mind. Some will lose to our members to act like that. And the next one. And said, "Your more after that, to no marco. Okay, or no one channel. Would be a banja or 2 banja would be a other day. Or buy on is our no one channel. It will 2 banja and the dear tapa. About money abundant. Yes, I saw Mulu to make my plan happy.
Oh, now, sir, and come away a dim you be our boss is here. A bangane yamin. Sir, Omampinin are reformed to Yoko for investigations. And also,
now investigation area. For this is escalated an investigation. As the Galant escalated, and what more to a two, a year or 2 investigation. Where we have a direction of our report to MI. If you want to see a report to the and then I got the cat out and no. That's a moment. I only general. Okay, to a five school. The attorney general of the Republic of Ghana. I put in that. I mean, and like I said, I'm going to do it. Then they call them carry. And you know, almost to the and yes, you know, who you report to the video, I mean, you want to say, Obakono, now I expected to are here to. It's when an investigation there. I don't know what our investigation to be. And some are not you are a professional. Who does them to you? Although I have politicians, they report like radio oil. If you don't mean that, I was talking about Papa.
All right, Paul, you know, baby, but as somewhere a chatua, me person be bizarre and say, oh, be beer. Opesa will catch them mamping. Attorney General, any 1 year dimu ewa bemu newi, efa chairman won to me 20 years yedi na kochiri mu.
Oh, yeah, no me the chat, you know, not the problem Benito. Because me the teacher, and yet Bolivia won to me here. It goes beyond Asia and Nevada apostle. I feel there. It is the I do how I work at the activity panel. That's how I feel. Because Galante and Yampa Santa Babuka moved to they will be or to the attack. I don't know how I am on the moment of the Yaki, we are not to never put the other picture. Even a friend of the on fire in a that's so I have to end it before the Omoya Bonia will move it. They will want to be here for this year. I'm saying in our I have found several as different. It is a yard, Papa. It is then I met to our friend and said, although they were cold, then one more market, or what do you walk up? Them will man take the mayor before no. Unkata cry, why bonita unkata? That comes the one.
Oh, you better was say and never, but they are wholesome say, who campaigner, the punk of Jina, which you know. and as I say, you didn't know what you do. Yamin shop, I saw my whole coin, my you know, didn't go. Why?
Yeah, Mr. Miller was the father when you are mamma. And I said, you know, this woman.
Mate.
Yeah. Or number 2. No one to mammy, right?
That's what you say. A banner, elections with the secretary. And as I say, I nipple all finances to Neo. Hey, I buy you. Yeah, donations, mammy.
My
donation, I'm my wife. May be a Mate. Now, Minim said, MB before almost from which you rain, you know. Woman said, Nipanka, Scout one, Coba Buano, say any penny any, and the major piece, say, one more bow, say, one more paw, a hot and a bohuni pursue.
I don't expect me a position, one more phrase, no problem there. And I'm a Wahana. Appointees to governor position will be out of retirement. It can't see any examine. I would choose to a walk on in it was so amazing.
Yo, yes, we have a boy. Yeah, Yabbing and count on Utrabade Ajubre. Emma a rehono and show soupy. A cobana sa a sayniama. Why? Yo. Paul Yando and I'll tell some no AD and Como Paul. So what do we reach Ashanti Regional? Or you'll be a Wakasama NPP Amanyo Kuno. Now or a director of communications for the New Patriotic Party, our Ashanti region. And of course, one of the special aides to a chairman Wuntumi. I wish for I have SOMPA 106.5 for God and countries in the Yabana and Wabasisia. Now Yaba. Dr. Palgrave Boachi Dankwa, wono aye kasamafo, edema chairman Wuntumi campaigner. Na washas ya ode pe the national chairmanship position edi ewo MPP mu. Yene ne bedi nkomo ne wi. Yeda ho abasisi ya.
Munde dinam se manya foreign call. Hello papa, what do be a new? Se me feel London, echo US. Na no kwa ukura from me baba mania. Na papa mo what to say? Awurade aduma habako. Na ko jejesi, echo bosim penemu. De woton adansi ho niam no so. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Echo ba, mesi wo boduma kura sre kane no a. Na wodru US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Hey papa, US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited ajiba bia. One Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kesie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre mono. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensemua ene obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko obu akwase paase kumase. Ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obi ase na na kodwodesi eye bemaba. E wo dansi mu. Water cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just said about dance ro. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so eye tufo bo. Wudu kuka mu a, wo ko ja free. Akra wi ka so depo ene pokrasi de no kwa to nchen a wasa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kwa da nchen a ebi so magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwu Accra road from opposite Alhaji Salia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brem. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We no butai teacher SOMPA First Service. Ewo homa yen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service entra wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda ni na share radensa na erade beye.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wadi na kese party akese se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya bontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfa Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 615 na with them. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky. Dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Yes, we take orders for every occasion, and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obianim say just hot kinky. Enwa. And ye serve ya wahu. Just bakery. Ewodome. Commercial bank in Chenwa. And to fraying. And was 02560688832. Na yen customize your orders in the mouth. Never serve what was said. They will say pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, yeah, hot.
All right, because Adam SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. We did promise you we'll be having a conversation with the spokesperson for Chairman Wuntumi's campaign for the national chairmanship position for the new patrol. Said the CDM in him say, Chairman Wuntumi, enya dia, obey ding, obey pre, sadi brainy view. Patrol, enya dia, obey pre, sadi brainy view. And you know, Bessere, yere we, yesere, Bessere, yere we, yepese, yene spokesperson, no, edin, yepese, yene spokesperson, no, edin komo, ewo SOMPA 106, komo, ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. So this is the station. Don't you go anywhere. Remember, for the second part of the show, we have been supported by Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Was it the end to chronic diseases? Tepatoti minkandewi na yadebia dokro wache yare kwankro uje wenje chase ho chire chase wa campaign untimi nante untimi nya hwea. Tepatomo obusuafo emfre Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Dr. Edu Boateng is here on 0244 867068. 0244 867068. 0244 867068. Again, reach him on 027 423 4321. Ofra Obaba Uncheng Onu abetu ne car na waba ho no waba behwe yade wo hoi yapa yesu akra yesu yade di yade de chiwa me patro doctor we and betimi aboa wo Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic was say the end to chronic diseases where Dr. Pabene pa wonam abefo ekwanso and obesa wo yade nanum bo so da form onu abetu car petrol de beba no free one charge Oba be show pa. Hatonte bomoding na friend number is here. 0244 867068. 0244 867068. 027 42 34321. O frena obeba wonchen na waba be show. Nasaka yadewa a wo hwe no. Anya stroke yade nko Anya enjuju ye yade nko a obi a woyare stroke de otene tesima na mpatote menkana we oba na opeso ofefro waya afro ne ma bomodi na kohwe Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic and I said Dr. Edu Boateng the chair kwan prostate yade we yapa bema junso yiya ujunso ajunso ne ma me pato Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic ebesa wo yade empama gudie wo hoi yade a ekoye 1 minute 30 seconds a man ne nye ho Say opese ucheri ye kakra dia me pacho Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Dr. Dubuaten obesa oya de say eye untinimu na aka wahra na obrebomu ana say wanya de wie wutiapo ope physiotherapy session 2-1 RSYD no video studios in ewi omoso ya sere kese pa makache say studios aba eye abefo de ni bibia e wo ho no eye abefo mfidie ne niam a won use o cameras ahodo no eye abefo de ni bi na eno no eye ade a picture quality ni video quality no e wo soro ye pa sa wo ni kire ho na akotwa video ananse wo akotwa eye wonfonyi a e wo soro ye pa kama editing bibia bekoso kama edi amawo na me kanfo eye RSYD Emma womo mutwe sini mo mutwa music videos location bi a wo pe bia no bomoding na fa weni kire RSYD no video studios ho sunye pa na enije semna na say wo sa wo creative director ho obeboa say the video no ubetwa no amana kama efefefe no obeboa ama bibia koyie e de amawo say medical catch say location bia wo hia bia no professional backdrops nyina ewo ho na makache say ho sunye na de wo mu no say wanya yie bia wo ye ana say wanya abadi 778 057 47 15 778 ana over from 030 39 74 822 030 39 74 822 RSYD. Really, if you want your vision to come true, that is where you would have to go. Remember this SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Take a listen to this bite. We are right back.
About the recent incidents of xenophobic attacks against our citizens in South Africa. During which some Africans, including Ghanaians and Nigerian citizens, have lost their lives, while many other African nationals have experienced fear, intimidation, and uncertainty. Ghana welcomes the decision of the Authority of Heads of State of ECOWAS to fully endorse and support Ghana's petition at the African Union for the matter to be addressed at the next AU mid-year summit. Weakened by intolerance by a small group of people.
All right, eti ya bampenyin no wakasa no. Wose xenophobic attacks ro okondeme. Na e wose AU omobomoding na omunhwehwem na Africa ha ya man nipa kuma bi emfa mranche omunsam entete wo fellow Africans. Asem we a ye mampenyin de atodwai ya de a ye nyina no ye tanachi because ya wo hwe South Africa adehia wo mo ekwan a wo mo de eye Ghana for efa so a na eye kwan bone so me pacho mene eye Chairman Buga Ebabedin Komo or the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Chairman and Pacho wapum ti saying. Chairman Bajotemenga. All right, Chairman if you are so yes our friend you na ye no nedin komo na wi I was SOMPA 106.5 FM on for God and country. Na said the commodity no and some na esi no na emu orem. Yenya Chairman Buga ewa man so Chairman Ampato wapom ti say.
Yomeado.
Uni ABOTCHIE na me no kasa you. Na say hu ye de.
Yomeado, na je yomeaso.
Ye beda nyame asese wo hu ye. Enu Chairman won to me jeli aye jeli ne for 20 years. Me hu aye video bi online. Na asamo a wo kana na say emu ye yapa na aye mo ba ben mu a President Mahama mo be fa mra kwan so na ono so ma kire ne bi emra ba na wo de gina so a wo de ka asa asem no
Yadi kan ma mi cha teko na ma cha the party ayefo starting from the former president of the Republic of Ghana Nana Adedankwa Akufo-Addo, your former vice president
your flag bearer, inshallah, the incoming president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Mami Ufama, Ignition Polling Station Executives, lateral area coordinators, constituency executives, and then regional executives, the entire national executive. Me, Alhaji Masoud Osman, the third vice national chairman for the New Patriotic Party. Abochi, Adia Ma Mikasa, say, Michelle Danaha, Amamu, John Dramani Mahama Puno. No sooner the dying HSA, John Dramani Mahama as a president, to say, on your president for Ghana at large, and to say, on you, over her, and protect NDC. And I mean, they should say, Anna, Mr. Attitude to the Nikas Assam John Dramani Mahama. Because, sir, one thing in there, NDC are bound to meet you to me there. Our Galam saying, say, Wako work for a brown permit. And non tina, NDC to me, yes, poly 20. And the man went to me, went to me, I Galam say. Let your Muhammad to her, now went to me for 2 years. She said, your Muhammad will leave my way. I'm on one Attorney General, no OSP office. Accusing the national officers, the 2 national officers, Joseph Yemi, ni Abanga, of the same crime that alleged that Wontimi has committed, and today Wontimi has been jailed 20 years. The same crime, Attorney General, me, Special Prosecutor, and accusing the 2 national officers. So, from Ramani Mahama, on one side, the national officers, they are engaged in that act. They don't know who you are. And now, all the people who say, is Joseph Yemi, now Abanga, are more citizens and are more Ghanaian, more than one to me.
That's a chairman. Omar refer me to Yoko for investigations. And
I'll say, Argentina up to date, you have any prosecution, any thought this hearing about these 2 people. But yeah, NPP for them say, Adia NDC here won't you know. It's a political prosecution. It's very harsh. It's attempt to silence the NPP, and it is a deliberate attempt to break the front of the Assembly and the NPP as a whole. And all these things mean, it is John Dramani Mahama who is diverting people's attention from Ajima Boni Warrior or manipulating the system of judiciary now. Obviously, the way of him.
Now, sir,
and I can't tell John Mahama. Sir, when one day it will be question for him to answer.
So we are.
Sir, on Bursa, what you are at Dakamu, then beside the question. So, what is Kura Wadi to Ghana? What is Kura Wadi NBC buyer? But maybe one is Kura Kujira at Dakamu, I'm a beside the question.
Oh, I know the National Reconciliation Committee and the Tone Safran.
We are going to president who said, during your term of office in YBB, any kind of around and fuck my gentleman friend.
There you.
And now, a former president is about the law. The Constitution does not respect anybody. Everybody is equal under the Constitution. So, if John Muhammad did something wrong, and we believe that Adia Wayane is wrong, never power. I'm telling you, you better man I did not attack him. You better tell the question.
Emraben so na menya botre. Emraben so na mo begina so a mo manage na adaka mo na matoto na no.
We see, such a thing, establishing Bolivia away. We see, I am couple of them. They say, oh, we never way, or we say, if you do good, you do for yourself. If you do bad, you do for yourself.
And to say what?
The elephant is recording it.
Mebo.
And the elephant is recording it.
And to Mebo. And to
say, I want to win the family and no bishop the question. We are recording it. So I do mirror. Yes, we know. They say your friend and non at that come. Mariah did that friend. Yeah, that catch on for.
Chairman, say the uncommon corner. I don't think, sir. I am Susiana, who can say, wouldn't be Jana Kemono. And Yadia, Ebetimi, Aye Juma. Sana Mimi Huno.
Uchi, Anya, Juma.
Yeah.
Only my way, former president, even from country, former president has been jailed, has went a safe day term. And you can say, your power, I know your mama, and yes,
okay.
The person I catch that my way, I catch that John Mahama. I did what as a president, only the MPP. No, yet, no, Dino Cano. Not from crime on one committee because one, Kamala and Camila led way. It is alleged what did the president at the into 1 year. Saya Divya Chana, Lipat to meet the Jolinipa. John Mahama should be ready. John Dramani Mahama should be ready. So one day, if the or at the end of his office, let us see what you do a better fellow. Our Adakamu, then be some questions at the attempt, maybe Jolinipa. Or you better buy Jolino better on at the attempt because the law does not respect anybody. In the eyes of the law, John Mahama and Camila are the same. Because so when the president, a sitting president, a former president like John Dramani Mahama, can insult the whole tribe and said Achim Sakawa, mention a tribe and call them Achim Sakawa, to a extent he knows that the sitting president by then, he's part of the Achim, and even Akufo-Addo, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo come out and respond to John Mahama and told John Mahama that this is not a habit, a good habit for a former president. You will sit and call the entire club as Sakawa. What about if Akufo-Addo do the same to Gonjet? What will happen in Ghana here? So we are turning caution to John Dramani Mahama. If it is insults that he used, insults that in his government, John Mahama used insult to jail a TikToker 1 year, a TikToker 1 year, and he, John Mahama, insult the entire tribe at Sakawa to the tent. The sitting president by that time come out and respond to him. If it is insult, then he could also wait for his question. John Mahama should also wait.
Or your president, instead of address him appropriately, so His Excellency.
Yeah, our president, John Mahama. We are in Ghana here. John Mahama is so accounted and said accounted. I come to here. I come to here. So when you have no people will try. And we are cut our work. And they are there. I could have one thing. I could have a bar. But people is turning to John Mahama. Sanka to Mahama to Bob. Sanka. I could have a bar. But no, can say. Conjects are attacking us. Even can never Ghana. So John Mahama, he thinks he is more Ghanaian than anybody. It is the state, it is the country, it is Ghanaians who voted for him to become president. And yet, coup d'etat, even though they have history of coup d'etat, but it is not by coup d'etat. It is by legitimate way that Ghanaians voted for John Mahama's democratic way and he became president. If you don't want criticism, if John Dramani Mahama don't want criticism, he should step down as the president. We are in Ghana here, St. George. St. George mentioned Akufo-Addo name and said he is useless. He said he's useless president. Today, if I said the Mahama is useless, they will say that they should come and apprehend me. But St. George, the recording is there, it's recorded. He said this useless president. He called Akufo-Addo a useless president to attempt. Akufo-Addo is a strong kid.
Chairman T. Satam na nyabutre meba. Tama yes Sam George nyabutre Tama yes Sam George nyabutre. Tama amwankuri. Walai ke samwankuri. Na chamani na sasa Tama Sam George ka sa asem no. Na mo aban mu ade no mo ankere no.
Me see yano asa na echiru pa obo ka kire yasa. And me see sa the coordinate e wo ho. Nde omo you say aya did atam no omo chi omo no. If we come back to power, Sam George will be apprehended by insulting Akufo-Addo as a useless president.
All right.
We got no mercy for the cripple.
Okay. And you know, Mebo, and you know, Chama Masude. Chama Masude. What Nyabutre. And you say, no, who can say NDC for no one enemy, Sana Woka?
Yes, they are our enemies.
Wow. Now, sir, politics, Nyabutre. Now, sir,
they are our enemies.
Nyabutre. Sir, politics, no. And yeah, idea, mu politicians now, when you know, we are wine. We are now for four. You're one. And then I'll be coming say, I don't know if you come by that time, you know. So one, and then the CIA first one of that. Some jobs should be careful and everything as the body where you are, you got power. And listen, crime does not attack. As if you attempt to be my people jail 1 year there. John Mahama in Ghana here insult our president family. It tries to attack our. Mebo. See, I know more said the tables with 10. More said the tables with 10. Tables not 10 idea. Nature say, Muni NDC for Muni I am one.
We see no matter what. If it takes 100 years, if it takes 1,000 years, if it takes million years, the table will 10.
Now, Usha Chaman won to me, Chia Yachina, Yedina Kwakotumono, from a year the judgment of the court now. And Namakwan saw and I said, and Nam and Makwan so.
Yes, MPP. The dear said, that verdict, we disagree with the verdict.
Okay.
And we are going to challenge the verdict anytime.
Okay.
Anything. Today, you cannot. You're a lawyer, legal team, that's nothing. We have to challenge some verdict, we are going to what? Challenge it. And it is a constitutional tool that any citizen can disagree with the verdict of judge.
Sure.
Our constitution. So we the MPP, we disagree. We totally disagree. Absolutely disagree.
Okay. Very well. Now, Yeri Chaman won't to me call a year in Sawamano. What you have got channel? Wow. And run a wood Hobiana.
You see,
sir, and I was one in the core, yeah. And I said, wow. Oh,
yeah, and this is for you. Mr. Yami said,
Midase. Chairman Masawood Osman, the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, and I'm going to say, no, Edin Komono. Walali, to say.
Prof, Nyadu.
Bibi Abokode. Nedi Oba, what should I say? Benjamin Asari, dear. Time, ye womb. Aswa Benjamin, to say.
Prof.
Yeah.
About the other room, me hoye kakra fa.
Matuma banawi.
And to you.
Muntu e. Na beda meto.
Prof, near police for the Ghana police the idea.
O my woden.
Oh. Adia Ghana police the a trouble constituency, especially a Mount 7 division.
Then no the
Prof. So I need to say almost 3 months in the be ambaha no apra na yebo.
Sure.
A campaign chere 2 ahene na esi ahene for a woman constituency. Say omo modern na omo hu me mobo no omo nto aba ma me as omo constituency organizer. Ya ye adwuma na bonto a national. At the date ba say enkoto aba. Na ye 12th of January, 12th of July. Last Sundays I tremum you no. Prof, ya ni ebe ye nyina awie. Sunday no ya kwa kuduru honum police for ho electoral commission ahyehyɛ wo mo ne nyina awie. Ama SA elections na starting around 8 a.m. anopa. Na ye wie 4 p.m. Ye wie nipa dom me constituency delegate near 2111.
Wow.
Nipa ba be gu honum from 8 to 10 11 ne nipa wo hokra keka ko be 1005. Na ye bopni 8 ne boy no na me call ye na me ko bopni national rep a party no emremu no ahye ne se wono na nhwe constituency elections so. Na me bopni no nam so honorable your friend honorable Jefferson Saki.
Yeah.
Elections na ye na mremu na ese starting 8 near point 12 but me no ka say about 9 12 elections na ye start here asem wo ka kire me an say ballot papers na ye de call police station a day before elections no.
Yeah.
Almost say akwa ballot papers no omo koduru ho no anopa na chairmanship position ne secretary position ballot papers no ayira wo police station ho. How maintain in penny some da
there be nyabotre anti one would de call ye no aposifo no hu say ballot papers for chairmanship any secretary oh
yes
position no
yes
aposifo no agitum say one would buy
yes actually positions na ye de call police station on 11 11 positions which means 11 separate ballot papers and ye de call ye na yisi for no election committee de call ye no police for no take inventory of every ballot paper position bia ye de ba police station bi ma omo sign ye.
Wow.
Ma electoral commission so sign ye. Enti no anopa na ye ba ye na ye de ba ye na no ana na ese ye befa. Ti electoral commission ni dru honom no na ye de ba ye omo check ye nti omo so fa ko na sese omo ne police for no so check
se
bibia ye okay a ho na ye ko hu se chairmanship position no ne secretary position no ayira ewo Mount 7 police station amre ho na ye de ballot papers no kosi ye na ayira nti na chere police for no se ye mo emre kakra omo hwehwe ahwehwe ballot papers ne sa na akobo 12 omo ehu ballot papers no nti ne national rep no ka chere se once a omo nya ehu ballot papers no according to your emra no constitution no conference ye no once untimi nya conference nka se positions na aka no esase yeto na later no ya be peda ye de beto chairman ne secretary no ye nya ne sa nti based on that no ye two elections no asheda timi no ka say Ghana police especially Mount 7 omo amaye elections no ntimi amaso.
Wow.
Serious pa. Wow. E ka nipa bo no enya asem keto o abochi e ka nipa bo so obetu anamo akọ 2,100 and delegates so no omo akokasa wona wo frɛ omo so omo metie wasem nye omo na esebra wo konzo a eso omo nsuo eso omo TNT so omo de ababa be tie wasem a wo waka kire omo ni nyina achi no Ghana police Mount 7 for eye intahundifo ama ye elections na ntimi amaso nti eja eno ntimi amaso no your constituency no party for ni bi wo no mo a omo say pepepe ye bi anko yie wo abon na ye de beto aba no nti omo say party no so de ejemredi say pepepe ye adwuma nti the aggrieved polling station executive na wo ho no e de asem no court no and yes and na ye be sa akotena
na commander na wo police station ho no asem be na no so wo
for now no nensem bi a waka bia no me pese me repeat wa ha but ya try officially to the IGP if you say me do politics about 19 to 20 years from school time or be drew time me who be that say the ballot papers ya come police am a police for the ballot papers ne be breye ne de akoto aba the following day no be ba catch say bi ayira.
Is that not eroding the public confidence in the police?
That is what that's my worry, because say ballot papers in the abremo say monhwe so na mo antimi anhwe so na sayira the day of general elections you know Mount 7 police station confidence ben ye benya wo mumu say ombetimi aboye ho bai so ye de ama IGP say onye nhwehwemu because etwetwe ya so ye nti ase ama information amanya from the member of parliament and also am ate say IGP nso I responded to the letter no
okay
enche bia no omo ba be investigation ye de yensem a ye kan mienu pe they should interdict the crime officer who was in charge at that day no
on that day
interdicting no and na commander no nso a owo ohwe no nso no also interdiction na say
I'm
saying say yeah wish. I'm not saying he said they should do it. That is our wish.
That's their wish.
So you can't say that
it is their wish.
When you want
now wish no wish
it is their wish.
No, so I'm a say no investigation. Yes. We are not in Banana Republic.
Sure.
And we are not in
determine what will happen.
That's our wish.
That almost there be investigation will determine what will happen. But almost solo, it's their wish say they should be interdicted.
The two names he's mentioned are likely to be innocent of anything that they are thinking.
And I'm saying he said the crime officer there.
You are
not you unco election. You don't.
Baby.
I get to the point.
Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Sure. So you should understand.
What is your problem?
Uneasy lies the head.
Ultimate responsibility.
Yes. So what's your problem? Oh, Debbie, please.
So
please.
Don't
say that.
The other people who were
don't say that. Don't say that.
Is it one entire division?
The ultimate responsibility.
No, wait. So let me explain the thing to you well. Because I want to ask you. Open so jump now, can you open?
Oh, Debbie.
Yeah, they ballot papers in the coin. Officer or one waje. Ono na in charge of the armory. Baby I de ballot papers in Ukosino.
Sir officer na your friend is saying.
Ono mi ni din this is here.
All right.
But ono na eje. What you say? Ono na eje, ono inspect bibia no sign ye. And wodi lock it door no. And wodi key no. Egu ni bottom.
Na key ira.
Nyabotre.
Oh, so dey na key ni ira.
So wait for the investigation.
And I'm saying say investigations na you say IGP and set it out no. Yeah, wish and say.
No. Well, Ali, don't joke with this. We a national assignment. We post it for no. Yeah, the amasha wonsa. Yeah, the documents are bro. Say jifesi because yankasa ye uni. Muna ye jimudi. Yeah, the documents are bro say jifesi. Moji documents no. I take inventory. And who said, the Amodia Benina, a pepe. Adechi na be ayi referee moi. Very, very questionable. And you should also know that police will protect property. I think that then pan a bit me abucha meti. I be me moi, me wo japade bi a me susu say, sa japade no. Se banfa go sie ya. Who be basam anase ebeyira na makoma 7 police station na me dey akoma omo na ade be chen na ayira police for they prosecute people for stealing we no ebi mo no mo wie o it's stolen. It is stolen.
Do you know who stole the thing? We don't
But it's the police, the ultimate responsibility lies on the head.
Of course. So allow the investigation to go on.
As a man, okay.
If the person comes out,
Anyone here can want.
Anyone here can want.
Exactly my point.
No, but I mean people.
Commander near Wadam for
no.
Commander near Wadam.
My challenge is that you are.
Is the commander your friend?
The commander in charge of Mount 7.
Is the commander your friend?
Putting the cart before the horse.
What's one I can
hear? Yes, I saw the one. You would be a
Nipa no ya no. Or your police ni. And your police ni.
Of course.
Yam fan your man and just be. Before investigation, no crass and ya can wear letter.
Okay, no problem.
Because they should be interdicted before investigation starts.
Acquired
so
you
guarantee na ya wish no person or challenge.
Wish the
Ata so ni mu bia na.
Very well, very well.
See you no oni mu bi dia. Na ye de call park ho. Sa manfo e ba no ese say ye reference to mo kakra. Enya sam keto.
Nti nyabote wabok ka be sen.
Oh, abochi. Emphasia.
Oh,
emphasia.
But you have to repeat it again.
That is the pain.
Yes.
Repeat it.
No, na say election you say date. Na you see a conference ni bi mu. Obeka say duane no mbedi ye no. Eno ana omo fa.
I said we asem na esi delegates ne beti boase.
Ono ba no.
Debi abo yare mpo no why fresh.
Oh, abochi. We me bam ko yi mitinti na hu manim ye no.
Sa
aka me de manim na ba ya ka bon se akwa no ma ye mre pa.
Eje for go Facebook or the YouTube we home Benjamin Asare.
So obi adom court to the assembly na she nyame adom.
E da jona. Ye ni di echire patoma we ni di echire assembly be to from bia baba so ntre. My 7 police station. Hey. What you call it? Some baby. I just have some romance. Nyamu tre. De be ho ne call it.
Sa person o dey asem di ka ba o.
No, Memphis afo. Memphis ne kra. Na enra so Ghana fo bi mo ete ensam de. Ebi mo so te ensam yeah. Na ye bisa se woni ete nsam de no wo mo nyina so na ne sen wo mo te nsam yi ya no wo mo nyina so na ne sen holali enra chairman wontumi ye de na kwotwum 20 years mate say ebi mu ka say the judge was not fair in the hearing and then passing of the judgment from start to finish was not fair. Because there was one issue constitutionally, na chairman won to me lawyers interpretation free the Supreme Court. But the judge, in his own wisdom, cited the law and said, the law was clear and unambiguous. And the interpretation now omukwakopero. Enya dia ehun here. Me nyina nkamfo no. What do you make of the sentencing?
I was on the production team, TFO in our SOMPA TFO in area. My brother Ben. Constitutional elections are not easy, the other fan is answer. I give you the Juma. I was your mama casa on camera. As I'm in Emra. It is not emotions, it is not politics. The chairman Bugaye one single mra, 1 second. So kasa be 30 minutes. I have heard a lot of MPP communicators on this matter. Do on camera. Then you see. Emra edi want to make jina court. It stands amended. We are aware. First, I think 1,000 penalty units, and then I think 3 years or so. And you room one who said there be. Yeah, and it's especially the kingpins. And let's put this on record. NDC has stated clearly before Ghanaians voted for us, we are going after kingpins of Galamsey. As a woman who sky, be woman say more motate a crofodeng, a drukwayu, a tutu fem, as a issue golden tea. They are the ones we are going after. A boy, a share. And ye this one super purpose. Now, number 2, what to me is in court on 3 different, cases. So, say names are. Where this particular one, Forest Nkwai saying, there is Nimri
Samra Boy.
Where Samra Boy, Nimri Nsu Channel, and of course we have the Exim Bank. So people should understand what is going on in this country. Getting Krofako Dinamre One to me was duly represented by his lawyers, and they went through the entire court process. If there were any objections, they raised it. Yeah, now, lawyer, I'm talking about, lawyer, Apiakubi. Is that the name? Actually, you see a court, Supreme Court for interpretation of whatever. The judge says that the law as it is on the face of the statute books states so. One fast interpretation in fee Supreme Court in my head, I'm pronouncing judgment on the matter. This is not novel. Abochi, not they been seen that. Now, as I'm in the work court, I have heard people say that to me is not being convicted of anything relating to Galamsey. But how is that true? But I thought Emrana Edi won't me go to court, no, and yeah, NDC constitution. Munewo. Ye ni case no wada braka NDC headquarters. Nye hon ye case no. And ye ni case no so Flagstaff House. It was in open court. Why Wontumi himself was there, and his lawyers duly represented him. Nti mrabe ho asem ye kan. Only for a ding and ye din akwa kire nsawam. And people are advocating for appeal. Say 20 years no do so do. 20 years no yamfa mfisuro. Yan kofa mfi form. Eye mra e wo ho. Mra ne say it shouldn't be less than 15 years and it shouldn't be more than 25 years. Ono kwa nti na eye. Judge ni fa fin ho. Man say man for more than 15 years and man cost for more than 25 years and you 20 and you some ball charge in so account. I think it's 10,000 count me boy. Yes, that is what the law says and ya no na NDC constitution can and ya man ya de teacher of mine Ghana and next year ya John Mahama na shares amra no ya say dinkitia na NDC executive wada braka and na shares amra no o man ya man ya de teacher of mine and ya dey Wontumi and my organ answer is very clear. Oko court, ni di asem tia, na se we ni what do? You go for an appeal. You don't go about making noise.
They have said so.
You see, it is one of the problems I have with Wontumi and his lawyers. There are basic things they should do. They were not doing it.
Like?
You are in open court when Wontumi himself admitted to some of the things that were the charges that were brought against him. What was your thinking? O client a wo ni yehudi asema no court ya din sem no bi piano no ojetu no sase ne ya medie me na media man crofo no Abochi, if you are, what do you reclaim? See, I can't reclamation as a journey saying
asase bi ase a ukwakosi
mo enti Samuel boy no asase na ye wuntu median je na say was that was due for reclamation je na say was
na say oye minor na on krata e che say obetimi atu for magudi
good. How do you do reclamation? Reclamation is a mining service. You must be licensed to be able to take that operation. Because I won't say microphone or day in ma almost reclamation with the license. A big no. And the law is clear. Once you have done any such thing, whether you have a legally acquired assignment or lease, okofa u abochi ba, that's abochi need license idea reclamation. What umra? It means you would have facilitated illegal mining. I am my walk. When to mean the lawyers no court, no who's amrano. Yet Emrana ne de piano. All the questions they were asked were based on these charges with the law. And it became very clear that waffle. You have facilitated illegal mining. Because Nipa now will say, oh man, the so on assassins who call reclamation. No, you know, yeah. One man kobo. How are you expecting him to do the reclamation? Did I get on no so no or to them? And you good any diacoton on your scout their reclamation. What have you done? You have facilitated illegal mining. And the law is clear on the matter. Not less than 15 years, not more than 25 years, with 10,000 counts.
So can we establish Wontumi ankasa ankonko ye galamsey per the judgment?
That's not what he was, convicted on. The conviction is simple. Facilitating illegal mining. One idea assassin maye said, Asimesi we ABOTCHIE, go and reclaim, land in Samuel Boy, on my legally acquired lease. Meboa. But okoye no ana okono only to me create time man required to do reclamation because reclamation is part of the mining services. And Matt say if you are able to do any reclamation, you must come under a license issued by the minister.
And you know, ahemfo ebinumu yatete se womode nsase e dia ma ebimu se omuntu afumu agudie a enam kwan paso no.
Yes.
Omo so yebetimi a kire wo.
Mra no nya so kwan na hu se mra wo ho. Eboboba. Enne wuntumi na mra na eden. Aso ne kon. Enne obi ehu se facilitation is part of the law. Odi wasase makwa. Dipa na ode ma no no nhwe hu se okra tumi krata bia e ma no kwan se wokoye asase nso adwuma. Sem ho. Emra wo said that law stands amended by NCHA. 2020. Exactly the point. So let's educate the public. Say emra wo ho. Ebi a maybe atwam ne ennimu a. Se si ano ne amasesa. Emra wo ho. Nti wo ye obi bia no ahwe ne ye. Like we always say, ignorance is no excuse before the law. The book of Jenam ran in so na minim say there be. Ya nyintum. When I go court na wie, ya the charge na bow. The man is here, no. Instead of telling us to go on appeal and all those kind of things, go on appeal. Let's see the legal arguments you have. You filed for a no case after the prosecution was done with its examination, cross examinations. You filed for a no case. Now you said, "Oh, who said the prosecution here, you know, and ko baby." Meanwhile, soon after prosecution had a witness credible enough to give information in open court. He gave those witness statements in open court, and the trial judge found all those information credible enough for a conviction, which has happened. And some of their lawyers on camera, they are just being emotional about the whole thing. They are political persecution. Show me why in this case anybody is being persecuted politically. The judgment didn't come from Adabraka, headquarters of the NDC. Neither did it came from a Flagstaff house. It came from an open court with a sitting judge.
I've heard the NPP says Mabane no more practices selective justice. Joseph Yamin Abanga have been named by the Attorney General and referred to Yoko.
Good.
Investigations. People are not hearing anything.
But ABOTCHIE,
no update.
You. I heard you on some of the interviews. What trend? I think it was with either Chairman Buga or the other
Paul Yando.
What catch any plane? So the matter has been referred to the investigative body. Where in this case, I think Yoko Mebwa.
Yeah.
I didn't know carrying out their investigation.
Acheri Dodo. Attorney General.
Yes.
So you share a year MPP for now. Every time be Obama updates.
Yes.
So why is he not giving an update on a year Abanga and Joseph Yamin?
But that's for you to question him. He does media engagement, the boy.
Is that not?
So the media must go there and say,
is that not a worry to you as a member of the NDC?
Do you know how long these wound-to-me cases have traveled? Do you know how long? Abanga ni Yamin the endabene by. And investigative bodies are, doing their investigation. In this case, it is Yoko Meboa.
Sure.
Not directly under Attorney General. Let's note the differences. Yoko na Nejuma. So we should be asking Yoko when we are going to see something on Abanga and Yamin.
Sure.
Of course, these are genuine concerns. But it could also be that, look, maybe certain things are leading them to other sources of information, which could take some time. I'm a member of the NDC. I'm not a fanatic. I am a member of the party. If anybody does anything wrong, that person must face the law. Sounds like you said, won't media buy information a buy and temp, and the court process is a buy. And I'm not quite so. That's why we've secured, an expedited judgment on this matter. Yes, sir. You shut down now. The BR court there be. The president doesn't determine for the trial judge when they should, set dates for hearings and all those kind of things. Won't miss lawyers were in court. They know how the court processes work. They may have failed their client in not advising him properly from the very beginning of the case. They see court in now, we know. We've been following this case for some time now. And you're at the board on the charge. On one considered to some of the things for which reason he's been convicted.
All right, man.
So any appealing man say far. No problem.
I mean, I say, Holali, and I'll tell you, Ghana speaks for the NDC and a member of the NDC National Communication Team. Maminko Benjamin Asari Asabri. Mile 74, Amana Boka. I show it to you, why?
Abochi.
Yes.
Menchia was Ronco. Na menchia utimu anomo yejuma. Na menchia minua Holali. Mse yeshia yache. Abochi untumi. Sa Ghana mrana akasa. So we respect the law. And the law is the law. Untimi nya ho hwe. Enti no se judge nso de nasem betu wi a ye wo ho kwai se ye digest asem no. Niema ye nso ye di view so ye dey eba. Whether say ye ne judge ne yadwen ana ye ne nyadwen. Eno nso fundamental human rights aye nso ye wo a ye betime de aye sa. Enti first of all no judge nasem no de aba no ye yasom. Emra no ene wogina so. Na mra na wogina so no yenso ye pese ye kire se wanye fair to yewura untumi. Ni nti a wanye fair no. Se minue wo ma ne ti ase se we should establish the fact say chema untumi enye galamse ma yankudi nasem. Yes chema untumi a facilitate ama obi akwa ye galamse. Nti eno na de na akwa gina ensamwam sesi a Pacho say yes, sir.
Asa nipa na asa be dia dance etia no.
That is the question. Ehho na meba no. Ehho na meba na Abochi ugina ho sesi ye nipa miensa. Menu mienu. Na police nsa so yemu.
There be you so be fufu.
Mene Holali. Na police nsa so yemu. Na ye de yakọ court. Na me Holali. Lawyer aba say Holali wo. Me pese asem na esi no. Udi adanse editi abenasare. Enti ye be set you free. Obeye anase wonye. Pacho tie ni ye. Na ya ka kire Holali say case na aba wo ne benasare ntemu no. Ye pese sa asem no ye ni ho adanse. Ye ni ho adanse. Ba adwumadie no ne benasare ne kokodi ye. Enti ye pese ye sere wo say charges na wo ye de abo no. Ye withdraw charges ni nyina. Na wo bedi adanse maye against benasare. Sana Attorney General ye. Nti wo fi say me a ye set me free no. E di asem na meka emma lawyer na onu di me masem no. Onyi ni say ye nokure say enye nokure. But lawyer ni gina circumstantial evidence so and odi rule emeboa. And according to omo law no, you say circumstantial evidence no, assess who prove beyond reasonable doubt.
Yeah.
Judge ne so won sa near Holali aka no and one wo gina so e de abu asem no. That is the sadness of the case. No. Lawyer no judge ne say on ma Attorney General ne nkonko ye ntwetwemu emfa circumstantial evidence no na won prove beyond reasonable doubt. Na mum judge ne say asem na Holali e de to meme so no eno na judge ne so wo gina so de abu meme fo.
Na say de nipa chairman won't be the assassin man no. Ono or yes adwuma no. What other evidence you want?
No, first of all, so accused we no mobile na. Near ye the assassin man no. Odi ka say yes untumi ene suma no by verbal agreement say onkoye incarnation wo forest wo mpacho okoje tumu wo. But judge ne say asem na sa man ne kan ye no ontimi nyina so because opesu owu evidence kire say sikatua contract na omo sign yes wo mfa nkoye adwuma no sika say na ba mu sika say na wuntumi tua no ba wo say ye verbal ehwo no na Holali me de ne ye we yo ka kire judge ne say o ka kire me say me kata asase no so no me nsanya mine na me mfa ntua ka na me bo no eno na Holali ka kire judge na judge say waje ne Holali katu mu no atie say ye no kore
o man ko enhwehwemu
bi ama enhwehwemu bi
say asem na ye no kore ana
say asem na Holali ka no say ye no kore say enye no kore judge no so wonye interested say wo be ma Attorney General akwa prove all reasonable doubt no waje ne manager ne kana tum say eye no kore based on that wagina so de abu aten
Tinamuka say political persecution.
So as a scenario ya mediama way, are you saying he said to me was treated fairly?
A tier forward judge.
Yes. It's Opio Becca said, judge no any to me any year biano. Oh, you're right. Because manager no word against to me. And a judge and they say manager na sembia wa can biano. No current to jinaso de buaten. Sad. And yes, now the man no no problem. But a kwanya ye far so the 20 years no, and the ama won to me no, and they problematic. Because otina bi no, e be ba ye law. Lawyer be able refer to this judgment. Ejina so am obi nso face the same thing. So ye koya na se by ABOTCHIE. We don't have any problem. Say won to me, I had the boni bi asese ye man sentence na okọ nsanwa mu a, ye di problem. But young fan kwa paso na because of won to me nti ana. Because of won to me ye won to me na enu nti ana. Nti se ye ni live detector bi eni wono mu a na se manager no ho ida se ne wo ka no eye nokore ana enye nokore. Judge say asem na manager ne kan ye ni bia ye frɛ no okum ana okum edin no wono na sem bia no expertly no omo de aye adwuma. Na imagine say woni yesi me setu free kodi adanse eti a obi a onfa suga mum wo de nkyini begum ama wasem na ye de because obi eni wanu a opensa wom so obekọ obi eni wo peso onya police asem nti wagina sa akwa we so dia convert wunua say won konkodam based on hearsay a obi ka
na say Mijiripi said that chairman to me na ono so e wo lawyers a na omuni omo dem ho enti wabra manager no e kan asa no menim say cross examination bebem cross examination be mu no lawyers for to me no ensemble no mubisa manager no
omo argue based on that say circumstantial evidence no the attorney general sa na wo gina so no e say approve all reasonable doubt beyond reasonable doubt enti no say omo mani improve dia obeka ya attaching akora be so case no that was the first argument okoye wo court and no and the man gina so our petition or appeal at the court Supreme Court to say omo here interpretation on the circumstantial evidence na nipa no kumuno aka judge ne say no no de be adwuma no because emranum no attorney general say asem na nipa na kan so oye ntwetwemu fiko ansa no de mu ntwetwemu na aba be to judge nanim ama judge na gina so de abu naten eno na wo court Supreme Court to say judge ne say no all right according to emra man no kwai no all right say whether say Supreme Court ebedi ana oni no emra ne hye ne se wonye na dwuma
o say emra no say de your friend is saying lawyer attach am ka no o say emra no clear unambiguous.
Yes, but don't forget to say any court judge bia odi asem bia no to me na constitution ne de ama no so wonfanya dwuma but at a point or no judge now or appeal court lower court district court no omu nyina ansem na omu beka ni nyina ye betimi aten no e wo Supreme Court nti wonye autonomous so sa ba bia ye take final decision no e ye Supreme Court omu no omu kasa ye final nti unambiguous na wo ka no eno no ye betimi abiemu wo Supreme Court a wasem na wo kan no Supreme Court betimi aka otherwise so atiefo e wo Ghana fo nyina ntie ba bia ye firi ba yenka say untumi asem na yedi no ma yeni e kwai na judge ne fa so didi untumi asem no yesi ye ne judge ne nyadwen because when treat untumi fairly na ABOTCHIE ye ka say si ese galamse nti ne yede utumi wa facilitate ne yede na kotum na minu ano so kasa wa no o say President Mahama bae no o say he will go after the campaigns meboa but Ghana hanom campaign ba akopɛ ne wo Ghana hanom a onu na supervise galamsey if that is how they want to go about it there you are John Dramani Mahama ni NDC by ye ko 2 years me
wonim campaigns ne bia na
menim bi President Mahama na betimi aka me nyame na mbeka campaigns asemu President Mahama ne say he is coming for the campaigns Nti so onim kempens na ko bekan me ne wo ka sese Lazarus asare donko
yeah
ono ne enim se wo ka waye expose wo Galamsey site ya me ne wo ka sei wa magana fo nyina ate ase se Galamsey aye koso sese na eye west more western than Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo time baby a Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo wo ho no yenye Galamsey wo ho no ene ye Galamsey wo ho adentia it will ba sa wo be fight Galamsey no anasa mo ba be ye Galamsey no ase ye nsu ase ye forest ene ayaso so ami ate ase se Lake Bosomtwe Kumasi Asante region the eye of Asante region Lake Bosomtwe se ye Galamsey wo ho Numrim forest was say ye Galamsey na no de Galamsey no forest na say ya to the extent say ono ankasa ne yem hyehye no ko ni Facebook wo de ato e video just a Galamsey no aye tanya to the extent say ye wura president John Dramani Mahama e be ka kire ye say ono kura woni mandisi fo bi o mo ye Galamsey enti ama Galamsey kon na ye den di ama ono president adan ye ti wo mamu ne ye de wo tan ebu wo man ye de wo tan ene obi ho ahi obi ho asem wo hye ye tirim e de ebu wo man sa ne ye wo man Galamsey na ate ate se wo ba bia yi Abewase forest Erasmus so say Galamsey ate se na mamen kai ade ba ku bi kura ma na hwe ade a Erasmus so kan ye abra ye wura John Dramani Mahama say Galamsey will be a thing of the past Erasmus so say whoever is DCE for Mpoho in the Western region and the regional minister have failed this country. Or the assassin way to honor and any 3 days. Say, Galamsey a koso in Mpoho Western region. I yet tying. A man for a year Galamsey no with impunity. Because woman himself will be intimate your motion.
Erastus Asare Donko say forest under siege. The degradation of the Tano Nimri Forest Reserve. No a post back or the Atuja. Was it whoever is DCE for Mpoho Fiase in the Western region and the regional minister have failed this country.
And the president, all can you not just say, you are John Dramani Mahama, wa fail you or mine. Because one appointed DC no call, one appointed Western regional minister no, one appointed ni see a name ne womo.
And she said Galamsey Grammy be just say you better need to us here.
President John Dramani Mahama want to mean to us here because one no ankasa no why ye can Galamsey asemwa one no so who nipa ni bi so want to mention womo.
O can way.
One can meet the press, one can just say Galamsey corner ye diamano because when him send the party people cry Galamsey. So as someone ye dear do to me, ya someone any kwa say Ghana ni bia so e kwaya ye fa so a ye de won to me akotum no enye kwan papa so no he was not being treated fairly. E ya dia e ya yem hye na e ba ne sa na sa judgment we. Any Ghana say nyame ya adom na say Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia oba 2029 NDC fo e be koje no ji sensan wam ye biem
mame na say Benjamin Asare na ote ne nka no ba o David na say biem what be
krokro me kakrakra
oh David
we twa ma no so simple sa
oh eye
how ka kire holali simame o kan twice me de on kan simame ba
na say asem no wa kan wie
me wie ye na dem ka kire me say wa wie. And now I can't 30 seconds.
Me pacho, me more 10 seconds for you.
Abochi.
Yes.
It's your best MPP for you now. Say, among come on, come and to Moyem. Send him penny for a 2 and a more or more call for appeal. No, a idea. Ye, GD say, Sassam way there, you bet me a appeal. I'm a year wound to me, and you're a far wound into Omunyabotre. Mamma for
Mamma. Me baby moi mama obi a 2 minutes na ye asamia but me can say am for sending me voice notes ye jam voice note edikan mama enkotie no
hey prof say the gardener Galamsey ni nyina jai ya de nyam yase papa the biggest accomplishment ya John Dramani Mahama oye ni say or the time I went to me, I go to 20 years. And it's yet an as a pass, Sabri, a giddy pass, Galamsey, they are stopping. say every na kwasi be 1 week na you say galamsey the so kosu baby a and then na jeta abi ase ona ana Joseph Yamin ene abanga invitation kra ye hu say I invite mu da na ye kan say judge for ene John Dramani Mahama ni omu ye aba omu dua no omu say NDC papa no kre e wo ho a mayenka enti sa aba omu dua no muntimi ntwa o la ilaha illallah ba tese omuntimi nye what I say ya mu ye nyina e ba e betwa mu ka baako ena remoacha so de no bebe remoacha wo ho a o kira mafo by force yiro mu dindan no onkofo a o chi mu de akwa chi mu nya ya no omu a ye ba omu mu bi ena eso de no ba kwa tena say ihoko boss no obu say ade na ede ana ya
me da say mana uba ena wo ten voice note me ba cho voice note wo betimi dia fa 0249 77 7779 0249 77 7779 to the voice note fa ho a ya beje bre na ya bo e de amount. Well, you have 2 minutes.
About you, like I've said, you know, Mrasep. Court Jina Mrasu di asem. And you say Mrana court a room to make a cry. So be demonso no. But so yet judge in the pet, no demand yes or no. The judge in Jina Sunina, a woman. The MPP and wound to me, and then the lawyers in have the opportunity to challenge the verdict of the trial judge. They know this. About you, Dabanya wound to me too.
Admiral.
So if you had a serious legal counsel or team, by now they should have taken some steps. And of course, maybe they are waiting for the.
But so the NPP have said
the
that
reasoning of the entire judgment.
Sure.
They may be waiting for that, but they can also be proactive in that. Because as I'm out to wound to me, Judge Nedi said the prosecution, which is the state, feels that we had enough information, we had enough evidence. They put it before the court, and then the court also agreed with the prosecution, saying, "No, correct. Someone can't find to me no charges are born no he is guilty of the offenses and himself admitted to some of those things in open court and also you can't come obiatias here a number of years now more feels be too harsh and on what was the trial judge supposed to do because on also man no to me I want to me 10 years because man see not less than 15 and not more than 25. Sana brand tre. Enti say NDC di wuntumi akwakọ tumu for 20 years ene sansem ni na no patro wo mama ka sansem ni na mon camera. Mran na tre mfie dodo a wo say wuntumi kom. Na judge no this amra na eden ayudwuma. If you disagree with Mrana, go on an appeal. Challenge the ruling of the trial court judge and see if you can get a favorable whatever situation or right. Even in fact if you can make your case well the whole thing can even be overturned. Yes, is that not the purpose of appeal?
Sure.
So the NPP should resort to that and stop the whole political emotional thing and tables will turn and all those kind of things. Ghana near or mine near teaching obi ye bone a mna wo ho mani so ya NDC
the 2 minutes
ma anybody yeah, camera,
before I go to Benjamin Asare, let me also play this voice note.
Because if you don't win, and some say, my cousin be judge, or your staff, or judicial service, while ranking from the lower side to going to Nindoye, I am ran wedding us on the Ayajuma, and I may, none more court will be yesterday. Now, you can't first count, second count, better than PA. Now, my catch will be say, well, at least we're in Accra not more than 15 years. Guy, we beside then I'm so my head do man at media maker. This judge has been so many years as judge. He was a deputy registrar, a court secretary, a clerk. Sahanwa rights I be doing to him run a
All right, so Nippon also voice note what they buy, no. Kai said we've introduced a new thing on the show. We want to be listening to your voice note. Note the number 0249 777779 0249 777779. Benjamin, you have your 2 minutes.
That's it. I'm so ana di biaba. Na odi aba no de ade a eboa ebeboa o man pa.
Sure.
You ono mo ana wagina line na chi acha nti de simple so obetimi aka na se. Mo ayade. Senior ye senior yes aka ya asem. Yes judge no nya de a o treaty eye wuntumi fairly. Based on so wagina wuntumi manager no so. Se na asem bia wo kan ye bia ye no kore sa asem no wagina so e di ajeje wuntumi ama ne 20 years. Yes sa kwan na ajeje ne fa so no wa amfa kwan papa so wa ama wuntumi fair hearing ama asem a wagina so a wode na akotum no wa ama wuntumi akwanya no ama attorney general na ntimi improve on circumstantial evidence no all reasonable doubt no wa anye nti sa de na why no nyade a we treat wuntumi fair.
All right.
Lawyers no so age atumu say ade a omokọ for appeal enim say nyame ya adom appeal no bibi papa bi be free mu aba ma wuntumi nso afa no ho adi afa no fa ho di akọ nti no ye be select party for no say omunya abotre no omunya otwen ho mfa ntwe wuntumi lawyers no anamon wa umbetu afa ho ama bibi aye kama na yesre yewura president say galamsey no eguso a ekoso asese kura de aye west nti sa campaigns na wo kan ye no ye besere no na da Roma aka ni 2 years na wo o make sure say obecheche campaigns no na ye put stop to galamsey a say ye nsuo say ye forest wo mamu ano na ye too much you see ama president no na sem bia wo kan bia no wuji ni di a enye ye yesere no onhwe na ye ntime ntrase ema lake bo somntwe ye nkonko ye galamsey nso wo ho ense ye nsuo ba ko a nyame de ama ye Washanti Ridge under ye wura John Dramani Mahama ne teno ana ye bekọ akoye galamsey e wo lake bo somntwe nya de a eye papa nti yesere no onhwe no ntu hu anamo na won stop mfama ye.
All right, it's for SOMPA 106.5 for God and countries. In the Babefa, I am of course. Note the number to call 0260-196064 0260. Dear, but the Radinam Nipaso and Odessa Nipaya dear. Who no say, but who no say, Sir Nipana or Sana Yadiano. Onam aye Dr. Duwatin eso ena obesa yadieno. And the numbers to call right now aye 0260-196064 0260-196065. Me bo voice no to we are na afi mabefa calls right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Me pese me clear name bi. Won Shakazu musician chena and robber. No onya robber o no ni boys and almost so problem to mom de call robbing but later ye jail so because he is financing and now no know ya what is the difference it yen family and in aduma so do one cd I say aduma bi mo still you are financing.
All right, it is Abraham before a course. Hello, good evening. Yeah, me Bajoana Melene Casey.
ABOTCHIE will be alive from Kandaman to Market. Accra, Ghana.
Me da sema kwa baba jumedi so Bacho wada ma yiti.
Ya mi papa. Ani ma pa wo bo. O boduma me mo tamu na umma tamu no. Ano de shoma.
Odi kan nyina no time ni hi.
But for mo see de ho nyina ya mi papa particularly MPP no. What be my team na
last one. Medase. Me pa choko ni ma se ni pa mienu. Me di pa mienu.
Ghana ha ye wo no. Ye de ma na ye djuma. Ya chama untumi asemi mo ma hu say, "Hey! Ajeji boy ya kanya mo Ghana de boy." Oko kani akafao and the judgment ya uma ye and the kabia enye ye abanga ani ayi you don't hear me because the mama no go there o so say time go boy 2 gram say omwa no krofu na bi pa tade no ya fa o
yo omo ye hwehwemu why
omo ye de do omo 2 gram say no
medase so bye. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Prof, good evening.
Yeah, me pa chowana me na kase wadarma.
Imani donya.
Okay, ima pa choma renti o.
Na me ka untumi asem bi. Na me ka jeje no wa ye adwuma na che. Nti e de mra na ye adwuma. Tena na ubra ne kano. Ye bisa on the Sakazu. The boys no so far to, but later he was jailed. And you know, my and family and saying, dear friend, I dare some very happy. And I've seen other fear that 2 ways, and I see they increase 2 things. And you know, so much get on near my year because some are examination. There was a lawyer, obeying a result of Jesse. But my shama did not quatrass up to now. Then I will say, judge me. Monuma 7 are dead natural or dear Jimmy.
All right. Marina, that's it. So much ready. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. How about you?
Yeah, me pato one minute I say.
I'm about to make questions. You don't have to me Pablo.
Me pato also the same.
And the questions you don't have to me Pablo.
Okay, Pablo. Yeah, ma kwa ba why?
So number 2. Kaka mpesa meka me say. Eye asemi ya be. So eye chama won tumi eni asori gina ye ka se. Ena ya tenchia ena ye say eni ye say. So taxi driver bi dia ana obi oton boju ade ena ye mfa nko. Okay, uni package yes ade e mra bi ni no. Ohun ye keka. E kire se Ghana no afi na nyina ye ni ba ye hoso se ye sisi sabi oni bia eni ye nyafo mo brofo ache enti se politicians na say de oman kasa ni beta ho no ma ye ni meyi we ya ye ni say wo ye ni shi na say de wanya position ni na office say wa ban na ba won so de boye ya and also every nation o be dem na eni eti empathy for some be appeal. If you say no more konko ye no munya some the emotions e kasa be na won the table sense na na table no so anten so e and the question is a table ni ten and you be amra no that's the question.
All right, Miss Omeda say my interview voice note in am in track also so.
Good evening, Abochi. I always say, Obia, Abochi, Mr. The rest of my penny, Mahama. The queen of the intimate and in fact, we did him as in pay jet and titty. I didn't know Obia. Sebi, Nuna Makoboko. Now, Bakodia, you see, the kind of create near Yai, Bako, Abochi, what to be that? Nti judgment na ba ne de me de me se emu ya were nti ye besre mo peni no mo ni judgment kasa nti sa dia next 2028-2029 eba abema ekwan ya so redies ni ebibesi.
All right, my na say waka wa se mewie my ni call away endi enkomo. Hello, good evening. Yeah, me ho ye mpa so na me ne ka say
About you,
me mpom you now swear.
Namia Domo, I will near a sorry Benny Ukura this year.
You, I saw what am I patching my inti
People need no honor me, bumpire, the position of